Hey guys, how's it going? How to create auto subtitles using Revid AI. So basically, it's simple because you are generating a video, right? And once you generate the video, the settings itself will actually take care of the subtitles. As you can see, I generated 2 videos, and the subtitles came automatically without the need to do anything. So if I went to that project, for example, right, you're gonna see the voiceover, right? And you're gonna see the text right here at the top. So you can go ahead and click the text, and you can just edit the color, for example, and you can, edit the text and type something. It says right here, script updated, consider regenerating the video. You can just go ahead and regenerate the voice, and then if you want to change another voice, go ahead and change it with another voice automatically. And basically you can do it within the video to add auto subtitles. It just comes with the video, video with the shortcut. So you don't need to basically go to, let's say for example, captions and do anything right here. The captions right here takes care of the templates, like middle, top, bottom, and you can see right here text at the top. That takes care of the color and the captions to be like the fonts basically. And you can see how you can edit the text fonts and add effects. So basically you don't need to do anything, just create the video for your social media, and the text will generate from your script, right? The voiceover will take the text that you generated, and they will add the subtitles in advance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.